म्हाका इस्कालन शिकोवप म्हाका तितलें इंट्रस्ट जातलें बेजिकली लायक हांव केदालें आर्ट करचें म्युजिकान म्हाका चड इंट्रस्ट आसलें म्हाका तो फोटोग्राफर थंय मेळ्ळो थंय मेळटना म्हाका ताणें होटलान सांगलें तूं क्रिएटीव आसाय कित्याक तूं ताका एसिस्ट करनाय म्हूण सो दे सेड लायक तूं एसिस्ट करूंक वच म्हूण द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एकदम न्यू आसली हांगा सो आय यूज टू डू एवरीथींग एंड एवरीथींग पॉसिबल सो इट वॉज अ वेरी गुड फिल्म स्कूल फॉर मी टू लर्न आमी ह्या पळय केदाय एनीथिंग यू डू कालें करतना आसा पळय वी नीड टू गिव 100% कमिटमेंट डेडिकेशन
बिझनेस स्टार्ट करूंक तुका कोण इन्स्पिरेशन आनी फाटल्यान कोणी गॉडफादर आसले की या कॅपिटल आसले की
ना one day in the night I tell my wife Marilyn she's my biggest support system probably I don't appreciate it as much but sometimes when you have people I think I'm very grateful that she gave me the opportunity to say do whatever you feel like I would really took a santa ye business na pala it's not a business it's something which comes from passion so the people who joined me in 2005-6 when I kick-started this company आज मुझसे मिलूटो का सर
नवो कॅमेरा लॉन्च करताना बहुशा
100% I always the first one Fuji is launching a camera so I'll be the person who will they'll come to me we'll do it here we do the testing also most of the time when new products yetana I always want to be the first to buy them